Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here at Tesco and I want to show you one of the cheapest and most effective ways to wash your car in UK. If you are someone like me who loves keeping your car clean but doesn't want to spend more money on it, please have a look on this video. I think in Tesco you have jet wash machine where you can spend only £2 for 4 minutes. Basically, if you have like SUV or bigger cars, you can spend £4 for 8 minutes where you can wash your car with high pressure jet wash and foaming brush. You can take your 2 minutes time at least to do the jet wash like what I'm doing in this video. And you can see you can take your time, you can wash each and every space, and yeah, especially in those hard to reach spots. Wherever you want, you can take your time. And so here how it's work, and you keep on doing that so that it will be good enough. And then you have got the foaming brush also. Then after that you can take the foaming brush, which is great for really scrubbing off the dirts and germs. You can take your time wherever you want. You can do it by your own, and I think it's the most effective way. You can do foaming whole in the whole car like the next couple of minutes, and then yeah, just have a look how I'm doing. The foam is thick and really helps lift all the germs, especially in those hard to reach spots. I love using this brush because it gets into every corner, whether it is wheels, mirrors, or even the roof. And the best part is you are in control, so you can take time on the area where you need more attention. Once the foam has done, it switch back to high pressure water jet to rinse everything off, and honestly the results speak themselves. Look at how clean the car looks, already shiny and fresh in no time. It took me like around only just £4. This is such an affordable option, especially for SUVs or larger vehicle that can cost you around like £10, or if you go to hand car wash. Plus you get to do it yourself, so you know it's done just the way you like it. You can see how satisfying it is when you do this by your own. You can see your car is clean car in less than 10 minutes for just for £4. If you're looking for a quick, budget and friendly car wash, I definitely recommend checking out the Tesco self-service jet car wash. It's efficient, easy to use and perfect if you want to keep your car looking its best without breaking your money. And at last you need to wipe up with good cotton clothes so that the water from your car. Let's go on. Yeah, this is a short video. Hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and review. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.